Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change address on a Draftkings. So you basically need to contact customer support. You can do this two ways. So if you're the web browser version, what you can do is come here at the bottom right. You'll see the section right here that says how can we help, and then you can basically chat with customer support. And if you are on the app, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this icon right here, and then this will bring a pop-up of the different options. Just go ahead and click on help center, and then it will redirect you to this page, and then right here you can click on how can we help, and you'll be able to chat with their customer support. And then the Draftkings customer support team will basically ask you to upload a document showing your current address as proof of your new address through their secure document center, and they'll guide you through the process. You don't have to worry about that. Really easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.